The Legion Apothecarion Detachment. A legion's apothecaries carry its most sacred trusts, the care of its falling and the promise of its future. Serving as battlefield healers, it is an apothecary's task to proffer aid to the wounded, return the injured back to the fray, and minister final mercy to those in need of it. From those beyond help, they have the onerous duty of recovering the Legion's gene seed zygotes for implantation in future generations of Space Marines. These tasks require skill, learning, and above all, courage, for it is one thing to fight an enemy and quite another to turn from battle and tend to the fallen in the midst of war when all around is a whirlwind of slaughter, heedless of safety.